Hello, this is Tina with Crochet Your Way Today. I've got a little bracelet / necklace that you can make using a 1.5 millimeter hook. And I have some cone yarn that I honestly don't know what it's made out of. It's a very fine cotton with some sparkle woven into it. It might have a little nylon in it. It has a little stretch to it. So I took one of those pearl-like buttons. It's plastic, but it looks like a traditional pearl button. I tied it on 2 knots, and then I'm just going to chain along and working the tail in as I chain, because this is not easy to hide your ends. So I'm going to cover my my tail as I go in the foundation chain. The reason why I tied this button on is the hook did not fit through the hole of the button. So before you even start, make sure you have a collection of buttons that you can actually fit this hook through. Otherwise, you won't be able to do the project. So continue to chain until it's as long as you want it to be. Chain enough to wrap around your clasp button, the one that you already tied on at the other end. Make a loop out of that length and slip stitch. Single crochet inside the loop space, completely around. Before you go any further, test to make sure that your button fits and it also stays put. Single crochet over all of the chains you made for the length of your necklace or bracelet. When you get to the end, you want to turn your work and start single crocheting into each of the single crochets until you get to the other end. Don't panic if your cord is twisting. That's okay. It's a feature, not a bug. So I arranged my buttons in a little box so that I could keep them together and move them around if I needed to. Now I found the center of my necklace, and then I work out from there where I want my buttons to land. Single crochet along until you get to the first place where you want to put a button. Then slip stitch the button. After you slip stitch your first button, do a single crochet to anchor it back down. Continue making single crochets to space out your buttons as you like. When you get to the end, slip stitch and then do one more chain to tie off. Cut your thread and then pull it through that last chain. Use a pointy tapestry needle versus a blunt needle to sew in your end. I hope you like it. You can do anything you can imagine. Any kind of buttons, any kind of thread, or crochet yarn. You can make these into necklaces or bracelets. Please share what you make. I'd love to see all of your work. I have a Facebook community and it is linked down below, or you can join my Instagram. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.